If you're subscribed to my channel, you might have seen the video where my husband surprised me with a luxury picnic. We had a view of the Golden Gate Bridge, and it was just super fun and super cute. I thought going on a luxury picnic with the kids would be fun, but then I found out how much they charge. I've got 4 kids. I cannot afford that. But as you know, I love setting up tables, so I decided that I will do my own luxury picnics. Luxury picnics are not just about the location. Personally, I think the table is the main attraction. So, step number 1, find the right table. To come up with an ideal size, I took into consideration the sizes of common pieces. Round placemats are usually 15 inches and chargers are 13, with most dinner plates being 10 inches. So I came up with 48 inches by 18 for 2 people and 48 inches by 36 for 4 people. You can combine two-person tables to make room for 4, and the total would, of course, be 48 by 36. Since I'm not in business, I can't justify spending so much to make one, so I did the next best thing. I looked online for a used table with measurements close enough. I did look into the IKEA Lack coffee table. I like it because it's already finished, it's easy to assemble, and it can fit 2 people, and it's a good price. But it would not last with the way my kids eat. Have you seen my dining table? I also did want something closer to 4 by 3, so I looked at the Ingo table. I like that the table is unfinished, so we can paint it white or we can stain it a dark brown. But most importantly, I like that it has an apron. So I started my research. I went on Instagram hoping to find a table that was set, but instead I just noticed the apron more. So then I went onto YouTube and confirmed that the apron is not set in, not in the way that my Inga Torp table was. So that means I can reposition the apron. So of course, to save on money, I went onto Facebook Marketplace to look for one, and I did find one for $25. So I contacted the person and set up a time, and I went to pick it up. Here's the Ingo table. I'm going to show you how the placemats and chargers fit on this table, which I'll remind you is 47-ish inches by almost 30 inches. This is how the two 15-inch round placemats fit on this table. For this table, I'm going to recommend not using placemats unless they are 14 inches and won't clash with your 13-inch charger plates. Here I'm putting 2 chargers side by side. It does look a little naked without a placemat. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. I want to talk about the table apron. I like it because it makes the table look like a table. It just feels complete with it. I also think that a low picnic table should also have removable legs or folding legs, which is what I'm going for. The apron can be repositioned so the leg will be completely hidden on the inside when it's folded. I think folding legs will make the table less of a hassle if we take it on the go. We won't have to worry about a leg getting lost or rolling under a seat or something. Also, for those of you who do have a picnic business, I think the apron will be beneficial because it will allow the tables to stack on each other. The table legs will be cut to a desired height. And of course, I will make a whole video on how we will turn this small dining table into a luxury picnic table.